NumPy. NumPy is numerical Python. It is the fundamental package for mathematical computing in Python. It has a huge set of built-in functions, supports fast and efficient multidimensional array (ND array), execute element-wise computations and mathematical calculations, perform linear algebraic operations, Fourier transformation, and random number generation, has tools to read and write array-based dataset from end to disk, is able to efficiently store and manipulate data, has tools to integrate language codes like C and C++. Next, we'll see more details about the array, that is, what is ND array. An array is a collection of values that can be added, removed, and deleted just like a list. But unlike a list, it is homogeneous. It can hold only a single type of data. It's also multidimensional. It supports mathematical functions and is fast and efficient. Purpose of ND array. The ND array is used as the primary container to exchange the data between algorithms. Suppose we have a problem or a question with a data set. Then to solve that problem, we'll write a program. A program can have multiple algorithms that contain business logic such as functions for element-wise computation and mathematical operations. Algorithms within a program need to be shared data in order to manipulate it and execute embedded logic. An ND array makes this task simple. It is used as a primary container for the data and is available throughout the program for fast and efficient computing. Types of arrays. We have three types of array. First is one-dimensional array, which will have one axis or rank 1. Two-dimensional array have two axes or rank 2. Multi-dimensional array will have three axes or rank 3. Universal functions. C. NumPy provides mathematical functions which are called universal functions. These functions operate element-wise for an array, producing another array as output, which includes square root, cos, expression, and float. SQRT provides the square root of every element in the array. Cos gives the cosine value for all elements in the array. XP perform exponentiation on each element. Float return the largest integer value of every element in the array. Shape manipulation. The shape of a basic array can be changed as per the requirement using NumPy library function. These array shape manipulation methods really come in handy during the data wrangling phase and is used extensively by the data scientists. So common manipulation functions are flatten or rebel. Let's see what it is. Vector array, and for that we need to import the NumPy array. So we'll import the NumPy library. Import NumPy. We'll create an array. I have created an array. Let's see what is the rebel function. It should flatten my data set. Okay, so it flattens my data set. Next we'll see reshape. So I'll use the same array. I'll give the values. So it reshaped it. I can also do resize, it resized my array. I can also do split. It splitted my array. Other things what I can do is I can also create an array with zeros using NumPy. How I can create? I'll write np dot zeros. It will create an array with the 0. I can create array with 1. Created by array with 1.